ló ń wò. Wọ́n máa na obìnrin yí lórí nínú ilé o. Ṣé eléyìí lèèyàn máa jókòó ni? Wàá nà ẹlòmíì yí lérí. Màá nà ṣe léṣe.
No,
See,
she's
listen.
enjoying the program.
See, let's just talk. Let's just.
Torí ṣe ló focus.
I don't dey record. Do you know you people can be annoying? You people do anyhow. Do you know that women? It's not as if we want to just, bring another woman. When you show woman love, they take you for granted. When you need their attention, they will never be there. They do that. Ọmọ ajáyọ̀ sí kọ́tà, excuse me, ọmọ ajáyọ̀ sí kọ́tà tó, ọmọ kan tó jẹ́ kọ́tà tó. O lọ bí iṣẹ́ Monday to Friday. Bóyá ká sọ pé nísìnyí security ni. Ọ̀gá òjò gbádùn. Ace, you must not leave that post.
Okay.
Ara ti gbẹ. Ó wá wálé ní Saturday tó wálé yẹn. Ìgbà yẹn gangan ni àwọn aráalé ọlọ́pàá àwọn ní pàtì family kan níbì kan wọ́n wàá lọ ní ìgbà tó máa dé láti pàtì tó ń lọ yẹn. Ìgbà yẹn ni ọ̀gá ti ń lọ resume síbi iṣẹ́. Ọ̀gá kan wálé lásán. Ọ̀gá kan wálé kò dé yàn fara nù kò rólóńgbò tó fẹ́ dídé.
But before a woman can decide to behave like that, then the man should check himself.
Ọ̀gá story. The
man should check himself. But there's no how I would support women. I'll still have to be realistic. You need to balance your home as a woman. There's difference between outside and inside. Your husband cannot leave the house. Maybe your husband is a traveler and is always traveling. Maybe he's a pilot, always on air for sometimes. Maybe he comes home once in a month. And maybe that once in a month that is coming home and you want to go elsewhere, I would rather cancel that because I don't have another person. It's just my husband. So I need to balance the equation.
But some women, they don't do like that. They just want to use. Why would you suspect they are having another affair elsewhere?
Some women, no, you know that we are not the same.
Yeah.
We are not the same. And our system is different from each other.
Thank you. I love you mentioning
that. Some women don't enjoy sex. And some women, when you touch them, they get aggressive. It's not like they are doing it intentionally.
Yes.
They actually need to see a therapist. So if you pay attention to them, you will know that they are going through a lot. I know of a friend of mine. She's not up to 28 years and she doesn't enjoy sex
at all.
Yes. She's not up to 28 and she doesn't enjoy sex. It's not like she's being wicked. That's just a kind of person. She doesn't, and she's not a lesbian. So that kind of a person needs medical attention. And maybe psychologically, maybe she's not balanced.
You're very
so
right.
Some women are like that. And it will be like their husband is forcing them. And it will be like they are being raped. So some will have to start facing the trauma, and it will get them. Some people used to go insane when they don't have anybody to pay attention to them. So you need to pay attention to your woman, because the moment she gives birth to the first child, second child, third child, please pay attention to your woman. Once she starts behaving well, once her behavior is different from what you used to know her for, please check your woman. So don't think the next thing is for you to jump out.
I think I get
so
you. That's a good message to take from there.
is not the avenue
Intentional.
for you to jump out, because some people are not doing it intentionally. Some are doing it intentionally because they are getting attention elsewhere. You know that we women, we have mild mind, and we always want attention. So
Anybody that
if
gives
we are
attention,
not getting attention
and you are getting it elsewhere.
from our husband and we are getting it elsewhere,
Mm.
there's nothing that husband can
The
do.
other man takes charge.
There's nothing the husband can do.
Ilebadi.
The other person has gotten
Gotten
her
the
attention. So there's nothing. So when she's not having any psychological or any mental issue, and you feel you are suspecting her, call for conversation. Have heart to heart talk. Maybe you can just go on a date or something for you to just hear her out. Try to always communicate with your
Better.
spouse. So once there is communication, then every other thing will be
Balance.
in order. So let's not try to neglect ourselves, please.
So as a man, I think we have good part to play. We have to be responsible. We have to know how or when to react.
Yeah.
Because like woman can be so,
We can be funny.
funny sometimes that they will do something that will trigger your anger. Say,
Anger.
how
You
could
have
you?
to. Yeah, you need
And
to.
so we need to really control how we handle them.
Yeah.
We have so much work to do.
Yes.
Man, nice speaking with you. Thanks for your time. And we want to use this opportunity to tell everybody, for you listener, for the viewer, wherever you are, if you think you like talking and you're looking for platform to talk, come on, man, get in touch with us. We are giving everybody this platform. We are building the community, the brand. We want to see who among of us we bring this platform to the peak, because we need somebody that knows or have the potential.
Yes, some people have talent hidden in them, and you have talent hidden in you, and you need where to broadcast whatever that is inside of you. You can always reach out to us. Let us bring out the good vibes that is in you. Let us bring out the sweetness, the swags that is in you. So you can always join us on Twitter, on Facebook, on WhatsApp, even on TikTok. You can join us via subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we can make your voice heard all over the world. Thank you.
That's what's up, everybody. You heard from her. That's what I can say for now. If you know you have what it takes to tell the world exactly how you feel it, hit us up. Let's build the society. Let's take it to the next level.
Yes, so
from here we say Happy New Year. Bye.
Goodbye.
For now. Bye.
So when you try as much as possible, to all the men out there, try as much as possible to balance your home, then balance outside. So when you balance your home, you have peace of mind to do whatever you want to do. Don't do anything that will make your wife suspect you.
I love that.
So
see, listen, man, she has said it all. I don't need to say any other thing again, because she has really delivered the way I expected everybody to deliver this very topic. I think with all being said, I would like to say thank you, viewers, and special thanks to this our guest. Good to have you